Have you been wondering how to use cardamom essential oil? Well, today you'll find out how you can use cardamom to keep your family healthy. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburg, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit the subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. You'll find my website there too. Now, cardamom is a close relative to ginger, and it's been known as a very expensive cooking spice, but it's also very beneficial to the digestive system in a variety of ways when taken internally. It's also used for respiratory issues as a much more gentle choice than Breathe or peppermint for babies. For instance, you can apply it to the bridge of your nose and chest to support healthy respiration when things are a little congested. It's also great for diffusing. Lots of tummy issues, when things are too loose or things are not moving, apply cardamom to the abdomen or take a drop or two in a veggie capsule internally. It's even great for cramps, whether they're the muscular kind or the monthly kind. Just apply to the area of concern to bring relief. And then there's always cooking with cardamom. I mean, if you've never had gulab jamun with cardamom sauce, you haven't lived. Cardamom is one of those great oils that can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. Knowing that is just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.